Dogecoin cost extremely equivalent to $0.0617 a coin. The present range, 6 cents, 6 cents, or so they thought. The earlier day close, 6 cents, or so they for the most part thought. The change basically was 0.0000% in an unobtrusive way. Reverse rate, USD to Doge, or so they thought. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost forecast for June 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.072. Greatest cost 7 cents. Most certainly least cost 4 cents in an unpretentious manner. The normal for the month 6 cents. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for June 25.0%, which is very huge. Doge to USD expectations for July 2023, or so they thought. To start with, cost at $0.054. Greatest cost 5 cents, least cost 4 cents, which for the most part is very critical. The normal for the month 5 cents. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for July 13.0%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at $0.047. Greatest cost 4 cents, truly least cost 3 cents. The normal for the month 4 cents, or so they thought. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for August 10.6%, which is genuinely critical. Doge to USD expectations for September 2023, or so they thought. In the first place, cost at $0.042. Greatest cost 4 cents, especially least cost 4 cents. The normal for the month 4 cents. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for September 2.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.043 amazingly. Greatest cost 4 cents, least cost 3 cents. The normal for the month 4 cents. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for October 4.7% amazingly. Dogecoin value expectation for later, week and month. Bitcoin value expectation 2023, 2024 to 2026. Doge to USD expectations for November 2023. At the outset, cost at $0.041, which is genuinely critical. Greatest cost 4 cents, especially least cost 3 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The normal for the month 3 cents in a significant manner. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for November 14.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $0.035, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Most extreme cost 4 cents, kind of least cost 3 cents. The truly normal for the month 3 cents. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for December 17.1%. Doge to USD expectations for January 2024, which is very huge. First and foremost, cost at $0.041, or so they thought. Most extreme cost 4 cents, least cost 3 cents. The especially normal for the month 3 cents. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for January 17.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.034, or so they thought. Greatest cost 3 cents, least cost 2 cents. The normal for the month 3 cents. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 2 cents. Change for February 14.7%. Doge to USD expectations for WAC 2024. To start with, cost at $0.029. Greatest cost 3 cents, least cost 2 cents. The kind of normal for the month 3 cents in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for spring 17.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024 in a quite large manner. At the outset, cost at $0.034. Most extreme cost 3 cents. Least cost 3 cents in a kind of significant manner. The normal for the month 3 cents. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for April 0.0% in an unobtrusive way. Doge to USD expectations for May 2024. To start with, cost at $0.034, which is very huge. Greatest cost 3 cents, least cost 2 cents. The normal for the month 3 cents, or so they thought. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for May 8.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2024. To start with, cost at $0.031, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Greatest cost 3 cents, least cost 3 cents, or so they thought. The normal for the month 3 cents. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for June 3.2%. Doge to USD expectations for July 2025 in an unpretentious manner. before all else cost at $0.013 in an unpretentious manner. Most extreme cost 1 cent, least cost 1 cent, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The extremely normal for the month 1 cent, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1 cent. Change for July 15.4%. USD to Doge conversion standard equivalent to 16.1996 Dogecoins per $1, which sort of is genuinely critical. Today, S-reach 160849, 162338. The past day, S nearby 16.1970. Change for now plus 0.0026, plus 0.02%. USD to Doge expectations for June 2023. At the outset cost at 13.89 Dogecoins. Most extreme cost 20.41. Least 13.70 in a fundamentally significant manner. The genuinely normal for the month 16.63. The USD to Doge estimate toward the month's end 18.52, change for June 33.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for July 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. To start with cost at 18.52 Dogecoins. Greatest cost 22.73, least 16.95. The normal for the month 19.87. The USD to Doge estimate toward the month's end 21.28, change for July 14.9%, which is very huge. USD to Doge expectations for August 2023. Initially cost at 21.28 Dogecoins. Most extreme cost 25.64, beautiful least 21.28. The normal for the month 23.00 in a significant manner. The USD to Doge estimate toward the month's end 23.81, change for August 11.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for September 2023, or so they thought. Before all else cost at 23.81 Dogecoins. Most extreme cost 25.00, kind of least 21.74. The kind of normal for the month 23.45. The USD to Doge gauge toward the month's end 23.26, change for September 2.3%. USD to Doge expectations for October 2023 in a significant manner. In the first place cost at 23.26 Dogecoins. Greatest cost 26.32, least 22.73. The normal for the month 24.18. The USD to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 24.39, change for October 4.9% in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 24.39 Dogecoins. Most extreme cost 30.30. Lovely least 24.39. The normal for the month 26.91 in an unobtrusive manner. The USD to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 28.57. Change for November 17.1%. USD to Doge expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at 28.57 Dogecoins. Most extreme cost 28.57, least 22.73. The normal for the month 26.07 in a significant manner.